Smile on the screen, caught a glimpse of your world in a moment in between, leaving the US behind. But something feels so real, a connection I can't deny. It's more than just a virtual feel. Fiji's waiting across the seas, but your voice bringing me peace. Like I've known you forever, like you're right here with me. Mosiveya unarogogo kanadomo mulelewa. Tadrava tumotue ya sakue na kenarogo malua. Vei mositike na vei dredreva kie kautike daruvole kavatamai. Oile Amerika movukachi ya uyaniki viti mekeira ovei volekati. Your words drift through the air like a song I've always known, from a distant island breeze to a place I've never been shown. The world feels smaller somehow with every word you speak. A spark ignites inside me now, it's stronger than I could see. Fiji's waiting across the seas, but your voice bringing me peace. Like I've known you forever, like you're right here with me. Mosiveya unarogogo kanadomo mulelewa. Tadrava tumotue ya sakue narogo malua ni domo. Vei mositike ina vei dredreva kie kautike daruvole kavatamai. Oile Amerika movukachi ya uyaniki viti mekeira ovei volekati. To a place where the heart and the mind embrace. Fiji's in your voice, and my world's just begun. From strangers to something more underneath the sun.